new video. Well, today we are going to collect the rest of the parts on the Touareg which we left at the other place. So we need to get the trailer back out, connect it onto the Touareg and go get those parts. The front subframe, rear subframe, the caliper, suspensions, a few bits that we need to collect and put it, store into a unit and put it on eBay. You've seen the video of the charity car wash. Last one was absolute banger. The car wash is happening again this Sunday, so feel free to come down and get your car washed and donate generously for the Turkey earthquake appeal, 11 AM till 5:30. We're almost there. Back at the HQ with all the parts and the Touareg. Need to get it off somehow. Second coil over. We could have scrapped it and just chucked it all away, but it's all adding up. We're probably going to get double the money for the Touareg. Look at that, guys. Just a diff left. I almost died then. That's the front diff. Quattro. We couldn't lift this on the trailer. We had to get it dropped from the forklift. Now watch. Right, we ran into an issue. I don't know if we can make it to the charity car wash tomorrow, but basically I put the ignition in, the car just doesn't want to start. Pressing the gas, absolutely nothing. There was like a spring light on there when I was driving, that happened like basically like half an hour ago before we parked up, and we're guessing it's the glow plugs that could be the issue. That's why the car's not starting up, but most likely with the spring light on there, it is the glow plugs. That's why it's not starting. Tomorrow we've got a charity car wash. We have to somehow get a car to trailer the water tank to do the charity car wash. The Touareg's broke down. We've got the Audi A6 instead to take the trailer water tank. Bismillah. If this doesn't start up, is this meant to be? Wow, this Audi never lets me down. Go back to the HQ, fill up the water tank. So there's the trailer we've got to get attached to the Audi A6. Touareg is dead. We'll have to do it with this. Right now, with 1,000 litres of water. Initially I thought the fluid's coming out of the Touareg, but guess what? I'll follow it. This just popped the radiator in the Audi A6. What are the odds of that, eh? Two cars down. How we're gonna get this charity done, I don't know. But it's all from the will of the Almighty. We've got to keep strong though. So the temps are looking alright at the moment. We're driving very slow, but we have filled it up with water. The leak is a bit slow. I'll keep an eye on the temperature at 90. If it goes past that, I don't want to push anymore. I'll top it up again because we don't want to blow the head gasket on the A6. Got some nice cars, Beamers, got DC2, Type R. Get everything ready as soon as possible. Okay, right. For Ummah Welfare Trust, we're donating for the Turkey earthquake appeal. That generator all running. See a line of cars in back of us. So alhamdulillah, it's going really good. Let's see how much money we raised today.
We get the point, Abdul.
Yeah, see, there we go. Oh.
This is
Hey, come on, let's go. Okay, that's it. Maybe like that.
snip it there, car.
It's pretty sick, guys. I do like it. It's a very addictive car. This is, mashallah.
Sick,
Very good car.
Reminds me of Khalid's car.
So smooth, you know that.
The side.
Okay. You want to import any Skyline, Evo, Supras, he's your man, so message him, he'll sort you out some cars. Today was a success. Everybody that turned up with their fast cars and nice cars, thank you so much. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. And everybody that donated generously, may Allah bless you all. And we will do the same thing next Sunday, every Sunday in the month of Ramadan. And hopefully this will inspire many more people. Till next time, peace.